Emmanuel, your sound and web building teacher. In this video, I'm going to start by showing you the basis of sound and word building. And the first is the alphabet. Do you know that English language has 26 alphabets? And these alphabets are divided into names and sounds. Now let us go quickly to the names and the sounds of the alphabet. But before that, please do me a favor by subscribing and pressing on the subscription bell and commenting on the comment section so that you can get a new video whenever I upload it, and I can also read out reviews about the lesson. So that's said and done. Let us move straight away to our lesson. Before you know how to read English language, you need to, first of all, know the sounds and the letters of the alphabet. Like I said, there are 26 letters of the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now, these alphabets are divided into names and sounds. These are the names here, written in capital letters. And these are the sounds written in what we can call small letters. Let's quickly go to their names. These are the names: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the names of the alphabet. And now to the sounds, we have A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, in order for you to know how to read any word in English language, you need to master these sounds. Once you know these sounds offhand, you'll be able to start spelling and reading as well. This course is mostly for kindergartens and for those who are taking English language as a second language. So before I upload the next video, I hope you must have mastered these sounds. But first today, let us deal with the names. I'm going to give a small short song which you can use to learn the names of the alphabet. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hope you like the song. Okay, you can use that song and sing the alphabet in blocks like this. Repeatedly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 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 Just like that. And you can keep on singing other blocks of 7 alphabets just by using that song. Hopefully before the next time that I upload another video, you must have mastered the names of the alphabet. So I'll move to the next lesson. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.